Hello everyone. Last time we talked about indexes, so I just want to tell you about something else that we can use to make indexing a bit more efficient, and that is by using the include functionality, which you can just see here. So what you can do is when you create your non-clustered index on the columns which are going to be used for searching and lookups, but then include the other columns which could be returned by a query. This will actually boost the performance of the index rather than it then having to look up the extra columns that you want to return in addition to the indexed ones. So if you wanted to return some extra columns but they're not used in the where, join, group by or order by part of your query, then it will be beneficial to add them as part of the include list. So how that looks basically is if you've got your index here, so if I'm searching specifically on say postcode, but I also want to return the first line of the address and the full name of the customer, then because these aren't going to be used in the actual search functionality like the where clause, then I just create the index on the postcode and just have include on these columns here so that the index knows where these columns are located, well, where the values in the columns are located. So if I run that, it just looks like this, just like the other one did pretty much. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please do like and subscribe to the channel. Let me know if there's anything in particular that you want me to cover. Next tutorial in this series, we're going to look at create or alter a stored procedure. Thanks for watching.